In front of me is OnePlus Ace 3, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. First of all, you need to install your new defaults. I already did that, so I can go into devices settings right away. In those settings, scroll all the way down to access apps. And then click on default apps. Now just pick one of those sections that you wish to manage. And tap on your new downloaded app to apply it. Lastly, go back. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!